Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth problem in Windows 10. So in this video I am going to discuss 4 types of Bluetooth problem. So the first Bluetooth problem is Bluetooth icon not showing in the taskbar. The second Bluetooth problem is problem in sending and receiving Bluetooth files. The third Bluetooth problem that I am going to discuss is Bluetooth was showing in device manager earlier but not showing now. And the fourth Bluetooth problem that I am going to discuss is Bluetooth never showed in device manager. So let's discuss the problem number 1, Bluetooth icon not showing in taskbar. So if you click on this arrow icon in the taskbar, you can see that the Bluetooth icon is missing. So to fix this issue, what you have to do is just click on the start button, click on this settings option, click on devices, and just toggle on this Bluetooth. So just toggle this on, and now you can see that the Bluetooth icon is appearing in the taskbar. And you can just right click over it and just send or receive a file using these options. If still the Bluetooth icon is missing in the taskbar, then the other method that you can try out is just open this PC on your Windows 10, open this C drive, go to Windows folder, and then just open this System32 folder. And now in this System32 folder, just search for FSQUIRT. After entering FSQUIRT in the search bar, just hit enter. Now just click on this FSQUIRT application file, copy it and paste it on the desktop. And now you can just double click on this icon, Bluetooth icon, and use these options to send or receive the files. So this is how you can fix the issue of Bluetooth icon missing in the taskbar. Now let's look at the problem number 2, that is problem in sending or receiving Bluetooth files. So just go to the Bluetooth icon, right click over it, click on receive a file option, and if you are facing errors in transferring the Bluetooth files like this, then the way to resolve this problem is just go to the search bar and type services. Click on the search result services, click on yes, and now just click on this service, Bluetooth support service. Right click over it, click on properties option, and now just change the startup type from disabled to automatic. After this, just click on the apply button and click on the start button to start the service. Click on OK button. Similarly, go to this service also, Bluetooth audio gateway service, right click, click on properties option, and just make sure that the startup type should be automatic here, and this service should also be running. If it is not running, then just click on the start button to start it. After this, just click on the apply button and click on OK button. And now if you click on this receive a file option, and now you can see that it is not showing the error. If still you are facing problems in sending or receiving Bluetooth files, then the other method that you can try out to fix this issue is go to the search bar and type Bluetooth troubleshoot. Just click on this search result find and fix problems with Bluetooth devices. Click on yes. So this is a Bluetooth troubleshooter and it will troubleshoot any Bluetooth problem. So just click on the next button. So it will automatically detect the Bluetooth problems and fix them also. So you can see that the troubleshooting has completed and it has fixed your issue also. Just click on the close button. So this is the second method that you can try out to fix the problems in sending or receiving Bluetooth files. Now let us move to the problem number 3. Let me open the device manager first. Now if you are facing the problem number 3, that is Bluetooth was showing in device manager earlier but not showing now, then I suggest you that you watch my another video that I have specially prepared on this topic. The link for the video is given in the video description. You can just click on it and have a look at it, and it will definitely solve your issue. You can also click on the I button that is shown in the top of the video. Now if you are facing the problem number 4, that is Bluetooth never showed in device manager, then this means that the Bluetooth driver is not installed in your system and you have to download and install that Bluetooth driver from the internet. I have made a video on this topic also, and you can just go to the video description and click on the video link to watch it. You can also click on the above I button to watch the video on how to download the Bluetooth drivers in Windows 10. So this is how you can fix Bluetooth problems in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.